The JC Combined Index was mostly stable last week. 123 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, November 17, 2023. 43 made gains, 74 lost value, and 6 stayed the same. 231 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $784 million. Trans-Jamaican Highway was last week's most traded stock. It took up 42% of market volume with 100 million shares trading. The stock lost 2 cents to open the new week at $1.98. JFP traded the second highest. The stock lost 6 cents to open this week at $1.41. And Tropical Battery rounded out last week's most traded with 28 million shares changing hands. The stock gained 3 cents to open Monday at $1.89. Now let's see who had the biggest gains for the week. Cygnus Real Estate Finance USD was the market's biggest gainer. The stock was up 33% to open Monday at 10 cents US. Siboney had the second biggest gain last week. The stock was up 23% to close the week at $1.54. And Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution was up 18% to open the new week at 64 cents. On the losing side now, iCreate was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost 12 cents to open Monday at 57 cents. First Rock Real Estate Investments was the week's second biggest loser, opening the new week at $7.12. And KLE Group lost 15% to close the week at $1.23. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index was mostly flat last week. Massive was the most traded stock. The stock lost 22 cents to open this week at $4.27 TT. NCB Financial was the biggest gain of the week. The stock was up almost 13% to start the week at $3.20 TT. And on the losing side, Trinidad and Tobago NGL fell 9% to open Monday at $11.36 TT. Over in the US, the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 gained 2% last week, while the Nasdaq was up almost 3%. Motorists got a win at the pumps last week. Gas and diesel prices fell by $4.50. In foreign exchange, it took an average $156.43 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 47 cents less than the week before. Meanwhile, it took an average $116.53 Jamaican to purchase $1 Canadian. 1 British pound cost on average $194.95 Jamaican. And you could buy €1 for $171.95 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices were down 1% over the past 5 days, trading at $37,339 US on Monday. Ethereum prices also fell 1%, trading at $2,038 US on Monday.